So this is a brand called Flo Fushy. Well, that you can see my light, I'm cheating. Flo Fushy. And I love eyeliner, and I saw this on Instagram, and I was like, I need every single color. So they sent me every single color. They say unframe the beauty. And the colors that they actually have in the line are orange, light blue, pink, yellow, white, black, gray, brownish black, brown, khaki, burgundy, navy, and purple. I have 9 colors, and we're gonna test them out on Hannah. Let's do it. Hello. Ooh, this is navy blue. And then you can pull it out, just draw that line, and then come down, like so. Ooh. Ooh. Blue. We're gonna put a little teal over that. So we're going on top of it. Let's see.
Oh my goodness, how fun is that?
So now we're gonna do brown. So like little strokes, you guys, like kissing the lashes. So I'll just take this little Q-tip and then just make it a little sharper. Let's see. So again, we're just gonna place it on top. This could be, we could be starting a trend. Ooh, I love it.
That's actually a good mix.
Yes, queen. You look pretty.
Love it.
Full disclosure, the girls came with no makeup on. They thought we were just making videos, but now I'm making them be the models. So don't judge. They're always gorgeous, no matter if they're wearing makeup or they're not wearing makeup. But we're doing now 4 colors on Carly. Okay, we're starting with black. Platinum black.
Matte black.
See? Oh, okay. Yeah, it is very light. Let's see. Okay, queen.
Oh my gosh, how do you do that?
Okay, I'm just gonna, again, little dashes, you guys, right along. Oh, this is a good black. Little dashes. Now, Carly, don't open yet. We have to let it dry.
Calm down.
Let her dry. And now gray. So doing the double cat eye is actually like a fun little change up. Now this one isn't as obvious because it's gray, but it's still fun. Keep it.
Oh yeah, I can see it.
Yeah.
That's cool.
So that's Oozy by Flo Fushy. Here are all the colors. They make more colors that we didn't have. The girls are looking at their 2-colored eyeliner. Anyway, we love it. Thank you, Yuzi Flo Fushy, for sending me these awesome Yamato Takumi Reinvents the Eyeliner. They sure did. No more panda eyes. There's a hybrid polymer, provides the perfect line all day against water, sweat, humidity, tears, using the most Japanese waterproof technology. They're rich and long lasting. They're easy to remove with no hassle. They're also hyperallergenic. They're vegan, they're cruelty-free, they're gluten-free, they're phthalate-free, they're sulfate-free, they're dye-free. Yes, they are, but they're not free. You gotta buy them on the internet. Gotta buy them on the internet. Thanks for sending them to me. I would like the rest of the colors, just if you guys watch this, send them to me. Call me, DM me, email me. My people will get in touch with your people, and maybe we can get the burgundy one.